The aftermath of a winter storm didn't stop community care supporters from attending the annual Toque Tuesday pancake breakfast in St. Catharines.
15 years into this event, is that good news or bad news?
It's good news that the people are around to still help the people. It's bad news that the problem hasn't gone away. So it's a mixed thing. However, I have to say unequivocally, these are the kind of events that help the people who are struggling to find a permanent home for themselves. So I have to say the support that we get for the last 15 years is really good news.
It wouldn't succeed without the public. It's a community, and it's an annual event for them as well. It's amazing. You see the same faces coming out year after year, which is fantastic. They've made it part of their tradition as well. And a lot of times they'll come in, they'll buy a toque, but they'll throw it right back into the bin so that somebody who is homeless or on the verge of being homeless can have that toque.
Moving past this morning's breakfast, how can the public get involved?
Well, certainly we have tremendous support from the community. We would not be able to do what we do with the support of the community of St. Catharines. Anytime you see someone, I would ask that you not judge them. We can never judge a man until we've walked a mile in his moccasins. We're never sure why people are there. I think that's one of the most important things people can do. And if you have the ability to give, give.
Community Care received a gold toque at the breakfast for their longtime support of the Raise the Roof campaign.
We give golden toques out to individuals and organizations that have made an outstanding contribution to raising the roof and to long-term solutions to homelessness. And I've worked with with Community Care for the past 11 years, and I can think of no better person to receive this award.
I think we should take advantage of this opportunity and ask you for some national perspective on this issue and on raising the roof.
Well, today is Toque Tuesday, and we have 50 agencies across Canada doing events like this for Toque Tuesday. We're hoping to sell 40,000 toques this year. Last year we sold 37,000.
80% of breakfast proceeds will go to community care.
Poverty, poverty, and poverty. I think it stems down to that first and foremost, because I really truly believe that if people had enough income to pay their own way, that they would be able to do it and they would have less of the social problems that we're seeing. Some of the other causes, there's some significant developmental and mental health concerns that are not being addressed. The wait list for services are just increasing daily. They're not getting better. The people are struggling with substance use concerns, but at the end of the day it comes down to just not having enough. They don't have enough to pay their own way, and there's dignity. They're losing dignity.
Toques and socks are available for purchase at Community Care, and if you don't need them, you can donate them back to Community Care, who will see to it that they will go to someone in need. In Niagara, you're watching The Source.